Thank you for renting from Sunstorm Vans. This is a quick tutorial on your rental van. They're all 2018 or newer, Ram ProMaster 136-inch chassis. This is where you fill up the gas, just regular unleaded fuel. This is where you'd plug in external power to plug in your outlet up front. I'll show you in a second. The other one is to power your inverter / charger. It charges your DC batteries if you need to. And the garage area is huge for storage. Give you some convenient stuff. There's some ramps to drive up on if you need to level. This is a windshield cover for the front, wraps around the outside. There's an extension cord and freshwater hose and the quick disconnect hose for the shower here. Some window coverings, a outdoor rug, and a couple camping chairs. So hook up the outdoor shower. You open this, line up the knobs here, push, twist, and locks in. And then with your water pump on, you have a shower or spray off your ear before you put it in. This is the electric cabinet in here. Your battery bank, your inverter, your switches, your fuses, your solar charge controller is all in there. You don't ever need to do anything. Everything's on and ready to go. Distribution for 12 volt and a breaker for your inverter. This light switches on the light here for nighttime stuff. This is connected to your inverter. Got 12 volt plug here. Go around to the front. This is where you would fill the water tank if you needed to. When you pick up the van, the water tank will always be full. Use this sight to see the water level. And then this over here is the gray tank. So you can use this sight to see the water level there. Gray tank is 20 gallons. The freshwater tank is 28 gallons. Go around the sides. Mom. Got a T-vent window that can be operated from the inside. So you can open the window if you wanted to, or close it. Storage in here. Your light switches that are on dimmers here. USB plugs. This is the table / workbench for 2 people to sit side by side and work or dine or whatever you want to do. This is a DC powered 12 volt refrigerator. Pull these knobs to slide this out. You open this up. This is your 12 volt fridge. Power button here. You can adjust the temperature. Anything on the bottom will likely freeze. So anything that's sensitive, don't put on the bottom of the fridge. Excuse me, guys. When you close this, make sure you hear the click of the locks. Now it's locked. Here's your water pump switch here. When the light is on, the pump is on. Remove this and fresh water from the 28 gallon tank. This is your inverter switch. If you want to use your household plugs, one here, one in the back, flip this inverter on. Then now it's live, everything's great, use whatever you need. When you're not using them, turn the inverter off just to save power. This is your battery monitor. It'll always be on the state of charge. Right now the battery's 100%. It just tells you what percentage batteries are. More USB plugs and 12 volt here. Storage, give you some convenient stuff. Plates, cups, bowls, pot, pan, storage. More storage in here. Silverware. Top sheet to the bed.
That is a lot of storage.
It's a lot of storage. More storage in here. Watch this, Kai. Watch this.
Whoa. Whoa.
More storage in here.
Yeah. Is that a trash can?
And
Trash.
oh, the trash can's in here. Look.
Oh, that's the trash can.
More storage.
Is that
This seat here, excuse me, Eddie, is on a swivel. You have to slide the seat all the way forward, and you reach underneath, you'll feel a little lever. Push the lever down, and the chair swivels. And it locks into place front, sideways, or reverse. So you can have seating for multiple people in here. I give you window coverings for all windows. These have magnets on them. They work really well for the side window and for the back. And then the front windshield cover was in the garage area. Regular van cab. And that is the ProMaster 136 inch. Call